Doctor, I have a fever. Since when do you have a fever? I have had fever since last night. Do you also have a headache? Yes, I have very bad headache. Okay, let me examine you. Will I need an injection? No, I will just prescribe medicine. How many days of medicine is it? It is a 3-day course. Should I change my diet? Yes, eat light food. Can I drink milk? Yes, you can drink milk. How much water should I drink? Drink 8 glasses of water daily. Can I eat outside food? No, avoid outside food. Can I do exercise? Rest now, avoid exercise. When should I take the medicine? Take it after meals, both morning and night. Yes, both morning and night. Is this fever dangerous? No, it is a normal viral fever. In how many days will I recover? You will recover in 3 to 5 days. Do I need to come again? Come again after 3 days. Okay, doctor. Thank you. No problem. Get well soon. Should I get proper sleep? Yes, sleep at least 8 hours. Can I drink cold water? No, drink warm water. Do I need any test? Not now. Let us check after 2 days. What is the dose of medicine? One tablet morning and night each. Will you check for allergy? Yes, I will prescribe a blood test. Will I need to be admitted? No, just rest at home. Doctor, I also have chest pain. Okay, we will need an ECG. Where should I get the ECG done? It can be done in the lab downstairs. How much time will it take? Just 15 minutes. Should I take vitamins? Yes, taking vitamin C is beneficial. Is there any home remedy? Yes, drink ginger and honey tea. Is it okay to bath? Yes, bath with lukewarm water. Can I go to office? No, stay home for 2 days. Okay, I will stay home. That is the right decision. Should I avoid fried food? Yes, avoid fried food. Can I eat fruits? Yes, definitely eat fruits. Which fruits are good? Apple and banana are the best. Can I drink juice? Yes, drink fresh juice. Should I drink tea? Yes, but not too much. Will I feel weakness in my body? Yes, but it will recover slowly. Can there also be stomach pain? Yes, this is normal in fever. Are there any side effects of medicine? You may feel a little sleepy. Can I drive? No, do not drive after taking medicine. Okay, doctor, I understand. Very good. Take care of yourself. Should I check my temperature? Yes, check every 4 hours. I have a thermometer at home. Very good. Note it daily. What should I do if fever increases? Call me immediately. Can you give me your number? Yes, here is my clinic number. Thank you, doctor. You will be fine. Do not worry. It was good to meet you. Me too. Get well soon. I will go and get the medicine. Yes, go and rest well. Will I get a prescription? Yes, here is your prescription. Should I show the prescription at pharmacy? Yes, show it at the pharmacy. Okay, I am going now. Take care. Get well quickly.